alarm. During periods of potentially severe weather, special receivers are activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests for these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there's a threat of severe weather on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the first available weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you're using a good quality receiver in perfect working condition. The tone alert will be activated for selected watches and mornings affecting the following counties. In Indiana, Porter, LaPorte, St. Joseph, Elkhart, LaGrange, Steuben, Stark, Marshall, Kosciuszko, Noble, DeKalb, Whitley, Allen, Miami, Wabash, Huntington, Wells, Adams, Grant, Blackford, Pulaski, and Jay. In Ohio, Williams, Fulton, Defiance, Henry, Holding, and Van Wert. And in Michigan, Berrien, Cass, St. Joseph, Branch, and Hillsdale. For more information, see our webpage at www.weather.gov/IWX and click on NOAA Weather Radio under local information. Now we return to normal programming. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WXJ 57 in South Bend.
Finally got one on camera.
Weather.gov/IWX. The current time is 11:14 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Finally caught one on camera. Finally. Okay, they did do it earlier. Okay, they did do it earlier than usual. However, just saying that, so I finally got one on camera. It is summer vacation. Why were you off? I an idiot and I accidentally had left my WR100 off. And I kind of forgot you existed. So I'll just put you back up here. How about? So this is probably gonna be my new setup. Who dis? So I'm just on Discord right now. But I finally actually got it over a Burke relay. Alright, anyway, this is SPC Granger 1157 Productions. Sorry, not even SPC Granger 1157 anymore. This is Granger WX, this is Granger WX. Comment, like, and subscribe. Have a nice day.